Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So I don't have any real machining content for you this week. It's the, was it the first or second week of January here, second week. And I've been working on taxes, working on cleaning and organizing the shop. I've been doing a few jobs, but I really got to focus on that stuff and prepare for the new year and finish out the old year, which was miserable. And so there's been a lot going on, but not stuff that I really want to film or I don't think you're interested in. There's been a lot of interest in the big Monarch Lathe and seeing that saved, and I've had it listed for sale. I've kind of been screwed over on it a few times now. You know, lots of calls, lots of no-shows, lots of tire kickers, lowball offers, and I'm just backed up against the wall now, and it needs to go. I've got to make room for the new machine. Got to get it out of here. And I've contracted with Premier Machinery Auctions in Blaine, Minnesota. These guys are really good to deal with. It is listed under lot number 80, and I'll put a link in the description below to their auction. Lot number 80, it is no longer being sold with the 3-jaw, the D1 adapters, the Live Center, or any of the other stuff I was going to include with it. It is only being sold with a 4-jaw chuck now. And so if you want the other stuff, you'll have to buy that separately. That 3-jaw was an awesome 3-jaw. It was a Rohm 19 3/4 inch 3-jaw chuck with a D1.8. Just an awesome chuck. I kind of wish that I had a use for it. I would have kept it, but so it is listed on their auction. You can check that out. I'll put a link in the description, and I can show you that. I try to put some up on the video here if I can edit that in and do a screen recording thing. And but I hate to do this. I hate to put it up this way, but like I said, these guys are great to deal with. I've worked with them for years. I've you know, bought a lot of stuff through them and their predecessor. Just great company to work with. So you will have to provide a rigger to get it out of here. And I do have a couple I've talked to that are willing to work with you. The one is a really good friend of mine, and he's really good to work with, and just all around, just a great guy. It's him and his boys running the company, and they move a lot of machinery and do a lot of heavy equipment moving and miscellaneous stuff. They're actually a crane company, but they do a lot of rigging. Great guy to work with. Great guys, you know, him and his kids. So that's an option for you. I got a few other options that they're definitely doable, but you will have to provide a rigger to get it out of here. And I just, you know, if you're interested, that's your best bet. January 27th, the auction ends. So if you're looking to buy it yet, still interested, it'll be on the auction. Links in the description below. Lot number 80. I'll probably put a link to the 3-jaw chuck and a couple other things on there that you may be interested in. But I'm just kind of out of options, and I got to find a home for it fairly quickly. So this is my best option, and unfortunately it may go to scrap, but I'm hoping not. I'm probably not going to get as much as I wanted for it, but at this point I just need to get it out of here, and these guys are gonna make that happen. So next week will be some better stuff. Lots of stuff in mind. I got a lot of ideas. I got a few jobs that I know I can do video on. And so with that, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.